welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Bee Swarm Simulator again. So, sorry about the background with my brother, but I already joined the group so I can get the dispensers and some of the codes. Yeah, this is a no code, code thing or whatever. But my goal is to go into a server that looks like someone's OP, so this guy looks OP right here. And I don't, every time, like every other day or two, like Roblox updates when you load into a new game or in a new like menu or stuff. It's kind of cool, I guess. And this guy's as OP as I thought he would be, but let's just be right next to him. And boom. Now let's put codes that I know. Wax. Roof. And I'm doing all the stuff that give me tickets and honey. No field boosters or anything because I don't want to waste that already. Bruh.
Yeah, bro, I'm sorry. I didn't kind of like break your heart like that. Something.
What's I am dumb. Okay, so
I'm actually in fifth, though.
bruh.
I'm actually in fifth.
Alright, there's two more codes. Forgot what they are. Let's just do also this one.
I said fifth. I know I sound young, but I'm like really tall.
I'm trying to think. Hold up.
I'm 10. I'm like 5'4". How about you?
Man, am I dumb?
Probably like 4.
Oh. There's that one. I forgot about that.
Yeah, my real state's actually in high.
There's one more code. There's wax. That. Trying to go through ones. Oof.
What?
Oh my god, that was the one I forgot. Kind of annoying, but you know. I'm gonna buy as much eggs as I can. Yep, that's how much I can buy.
Really good. Then I stopped playing for like a few months.
Alright.
It's really bad now.
Don't question my username.
And there's like no updates.
Ooh, let's go. Wow. That's pretty good for 5 basic eggs. Alright, so let's just get all the royal jellies. Once I get all the royal jellies and ticket locations, I think that's gonna be the end, you know. It's not gonna be too long, but I don't want it to be too long. Just kind of like, you know.
No, you son of a beast, bitch.
Alright, so I'm gonna get every.
Are you serious right now? Yeah. Yes, I do have TikTok. Oh.
Alright, let's just get his class.
Hello. What?
Alright. Let's get the 3 other royal jellies. Wait, no. The
I could literally make a whole entire girl.
what do I think? The 4 other ones actually. Let's get this one to be a lot faster and get a lot of honey.
Yeah, because I could hear every second you're not moving, no one's getting closer.
Alright, go, go. And boom, bam, bop, bada, boom, boom, bam, bop. Alrighty.
Remember that, okay? Every second you don't move. I said only in hay. Bro, you're on treehouse. When did I go all the way to treehouse?
Alright, let's just also collect the quest from you. So I can do that next video, which will probably come out tomorrow, maybe later today. Probably not.
I said don't go.
So also let's go in here for the tickets and the jelly beans.
I told you to not.
And also for you Bee Swarm Simulator fans out there that are watching this maybe, are you guys excited for the Beastmas update? Because I can't wait. Because Beastmas is probably the better updates of Bee Swarm. If not the best, because the Gifted Bee update, the Low Up Bee update was like the best update and the biggest. So, yeah. That was a cool update. I never really experienced it, but I've seen videos of it and it was really cool. But I didn't play the first Beastmas, but I first started Bee Swarm when the second Beastmas came out. Like 4 months before it. Which I don't think is too bad. You know? And I'll need to get the other ones. Alright. Come on. Alright. Kill that guy. And I'm also going to use the royal jellies that, you know, to transform my basic bees.
Okay. I'm gonna go get.
But first, let's also get a quest from this guy.
Down in Ohio. Down in Ohio.
Like I said, ignore my brother.
Swag like Ohio.
It's not funny. Goofy sounding, looking at. And boom. Oh. Let's go. Boom. Ooh. Boom. Boom. Get all those locations. Get all the quests that I had available that I could get. Wait, also let me get some of these ticket spawns. Ah! Don't kill me. Got that. You're not gonna. What the heck? Ooh. Imagine the vicious bee would kill the spider with this vicious spikes. Vicious spikes. Do it. Come on, vicious bee. Come on. That's so funny. Oh, that's so funny. The vicious bee just killed the spider because. Oh, that's funny. Oh, well, that's good enough, I guess. I'll take it. Alright, so. Bruh. And that, okay, good or bad. Okay, so all I'm gonna get is rare bees. Huh. Oh. Either the stubborn bee or the bomber bee. Stubborn bee. He's not that useful. Oh! Okay. I think that's done. And vicious bee left. Haha, vicious bee. So I got pretty good bees. And I'm gonna buy as much good stuff as I can. And get that. It'd be good for me to get this, but I'm gonna get these. And then I'm gonna, cut the vines so I can get that area unlocked for the next video. And might as well just fill up once because another time, because why not? Kill these stupid bugs. And boom. All done. Kill those two idiots. And make sure to subscribe and like for new videos. And also subscribe to Kakashi Plays Games Low, Colton Plays Grounded, and on VR, I guess. Actually, it's Kakashi Plays TC. And Games with Tulu. Oh, and my brother just told me that his Colton Plays Grounded channel got deleted. So yeah. Don't subscribe to them since it's deleted. Just subscribe to those people, They're cool. The least cool is probably on VR and Games with Tulu. Otherwise, and just subscribe to the Game Room, Kakashi Plays TC, and myself. Because the other two I just mentioned, I don't know about those guys. I actually did a quest, but it's fine. So, that's going to be the end of the video. So, I'll see you guys in the next video and see what my journey leads to next. Bye!